Hi there, in this video I will show you how to convert currency in Google Sheet. So for this I am here on Google Sheet. So I enter this value in GBP currency and we want to convert it into USD. So for this I choose this C4 here and we added our value in B4. Now when you choose C4 here, then click on in front of FX. Here I will give you this formula is equal to B4 into Google Finance, open bracket, inverted comma, currency, semicolon, GBP, USD, inverted comma close, bracket close, and then press enter. Now here what you need to do is click on the currency that they give and now click on format, and here in number section scroll down and there we have custom currency option. Click on it. Here you can search for US and then we have US dollars here. Click on it and now click on apply. So now it is converted into dollars. In this way you can convert currency in Google Sheet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.